your name? So you know, say when I come, when I ask you something, the way you take answer me, I say maybe this one Omoya. That's why I say make I ask you. So what be your name?
My name na Wale.
Wale?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ondo.
Ondo.
Yeah.
Ilu go.
Ondo.
So
and I know Okitipukwa.
Okitipukwa? I know Yoruba land because I grew up for there. I travel like next week now. I go in London. So that is where my wife is from. Yeah, my wife is from Kogi, but she was born in. So if you tell us where we did.
We did for BBS Asena.
In Imo State.
Imo State.
Hello. They do your business.
And I can't land here. They do my business.
So how if you describe your relationship with the people in this community?
We did good. Nothing. Since I come this side, I don't see anybody who threaten me. I don't disturb. I myself, nobody disturb me. They welcome me well. Give me wife. Give me everything. In fact.
So your wife is from this place?
My wife is from this village.
Igbo?
So BBS, yeah.
Wow, that is good.
I'm married for a year.
Because what people they always think, especially for social media, they will say, oh, Igbo people know they welcome people. They go they drag say, have you seen anywhere Yoruba man build a house in Igbo land? They don't give strangers land. If you talk anything about if you want to build a house now or buy land, is easy?
If somebody have money, you can buy land here. Yes.
So
money,
can you buy land here now? And build
why?
a house?
Why not?
They will not say. They won't say to you.
They will sell for me now. Why not?
Because they say
will sell for me because if I have my money now, buy land, they will sell for me.
They will not say no. We don't sell land to Yoruba people.
They will not say that now.
So this community welcome you.
They are selling land, yeah.
Yeah, that is good. And your wife is
selling land.
Oh, wow. So
they are selling land. So nothing wrong.
All right, Wale. Nice to see you.
No, Wala.
Nice to see you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.